Easy to make, cute to serve. So many flavors in every bite. Let's make these easy and delicious potato cups. Steam the potatoes and dice the bell pepper and onion into small pieces. Cook the ground beef until all the moisture has evaporated. This helps get rid of any gamey taste and gives the beef a nice savory seal. When the oil at the bottom of the pan looks clear, you know the moisture is gone. Before turning off the heat, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. The potatoes are ready when you are easily pierce them with a fork. Season the potatoes simply, then mash them until smooth. Spray a little oil on the parchment paper to prevent sticking. Now comes the fun part, shaping our potato cups. Brush a little oil over each cup before baking. Now let's fill our potato cups. Get the kids involved, they'll have fun making this. Bake for another 5 minutes and your cheesy, savory potato cups are ready. They are so simple to make, but seriously delicious. Give them a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.